Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of light and my name is Vertices and today we are going to study about the part 2 about light. So let's begin. First we are going to talk about the properties of light. The first property is that the light does not require any medium to propagate. It means that the light can travel through vacuum also. Vacuum, It the second point is it travels with a very high velocity, which is about 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 8 meter per second in air or vacuum, you can say. It always travels in a straight line, so this property I have written as rectilinear propagation of light. And then the velocity of the light decreases as it travels from a rarer medium to a denser medium. Now, let's see an experiment to observe the rectilinear propagation of light. Here, here I have taken three cardboard. Here we have taken three cardboards. So the path of light is in a straight line. As you can see here, the path of the light is in the straight line. And let's consider this experiment. We can take three wooden upright A, B, and C. And then we make a small hole. We make a small hole and then at the same, we make a small hole at the same height here, here, and here. At the same height from the base, like this one C, B, and A. And then here's the observer. He or she looks through the hole of the upright C from here, like from here, he or she is looking, the person is looking. The candle flame is clearly visible, which would disappear. This candle would disappear if one of the uprights is A, B, and C. If one of the uprights is moved, proving that the light has rectilinear propagation. The casting of shadows and eclipse is due to the rectilinear propagation of light, this one. And if we disturb the light of the candle disappears. This experiment shows that the light propagates in a straight line. Now, let's talk about the reflection of light. So, there are two reflections of light. The first is regular reflection. It's the reflection in which a parallel beam of... Okay, let me show you by drawing. Okay, let's see. I'll show you by drawing. Okay, here. Suppose it is a smooth surface. Smooth surface. It is a smooth surface and the parallel here, here the parallel incident ray are coming like this. Here I can denote like this is coming, this is going, this is coming. So, and like these, if many rays are coming, these are the parallel incident rays. Incident rays. And these are the parallel reflected rays. So, in this one, there are 2 points to be like, carefully you should understand these 2 points first. You should understand these 2 points here, which I will tell you now. First, a parallel beam of light, the parallel beam of light, this one, is reflected as the parallel beam in the same direction to form clear images. and then it occurs the regular reflection, as you can see here, occurs on a smooth surface. As I told you, it occurs on a smooth surface. For example, you can say that can you name some examples of smooth surface? Okay, let me tell you what are some smooth surfaces. Smooth surface, you can write as glass plane, highly polished metal surfaces, and etc. Now, let's discuss about the diffused reflection. Diffused reflection is also known as the scattering reflection because it scatters the light. And the diffuse reflection is always on a rough surface. So, first I will draw the rough surface here like this one, and then here like this. So here it's then uneven surface. It's uneven surface, and then if the light rays are coming, going, coming, going, they're not, how to say, they're not like straight. They're little bit like, if they're coming like this, it will be like this because it's not the smooth surface, it's rough surface. Here there are 2 points to be noticed, which are that the parallel beam of light is reflected in different direction without forming any image, and it occurs on rough surfaces, for example wood, cloth, ripples in water and leather, etc. You can say. Okay, now let's move on. So the topics we covered in the part 1 and 2 are light. We talked about what is light, what are luminous and non-luminous objects, what are reflection and the laws, and the terms related with the reflection. And remember, we also learned about the misconception and the fact, and we learned about the three beam of light, the properties. In this lesson, we covered the properties, the types of reflection. So this was the end of the part 2, and the topics which we'll cover in part 3 are the formation of image by a plane mirror, the types of images, the use of plane mirrors. So I hope you enjoyed as much as I have enjoyed. So thank you. If you like this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.